Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I've got a great unboxing for you today. I didn't think this would actually come today. I'll say FedEx. I'll say those people take forever. I'll say now time is about 6:45 in the evening. They just turned up after phoning them so many times and just annoying them. But anyway, we have the new Hori Vewlix for PS4. We're going to unbox this today and do a review on it. Okay, let's crack this open. As you can see, I already unboxed the outside box of it, but we're opening it now. Just want to try and carefully open this box, as we had it double packed all the way from the USA. This looks like the button things for putting over buttons if you remove them, the empties. If you want 6 buttons instead of 8. Not much room in this place, but we'll make do with the room. Let's get this thing out of the wrappings. Let's get the knife. Looks very impressive so far. Yeah, nice and clicky micro switches. Nice mashy buttons. We have the slide switch for PS4 and PS3. And we also have the hour buttons. Looks like it might be it says RS, LS and DP. This is for switching the stick to digital, or to left stick, or to right analog stick. That's what that does. And you've got a share button, an L3 and an R3 button at the top, and you've got a sign on and off. Let's have a look at the back of it. Oh yeah, we have the touchpad on the back. This is the latest addition on the PS4 version. And in the back we have got the USB cable in there. This version should be the same as the diamond blue version I had some time ago for PS3, where you can actually open the stick as well to see all the workings. We'll see if we can get to that. Yep, that's right. There are 3 screws here you have to remove. See if I can get these out. I have to get a screwdriver. Put this panel back on, as these do fall out. I can get it back on. This thing has been a little bit of a pest. there we go, back on now. So that does go on again. Screwdriver. Okay, we have found a screwdriver. Okay, it is coming out. This is one screw is out. There are 3 screws to remove to actually get to the inside of this stick. After showing you the workings in the inside of it, we will actually connect it to my PS4 to try it out with Mortal Kombat X, the latest fighting game on PS4. One of the best, I think, at the moment. Okay, all those screws are out. So if I remember correctly from my previous one, you just pull it from the front. There we go. If I turn it round, you'll be able to see the insides of it. Let's just try and get it for the camera a bit better. There we go. So everything is nice and tidy inside, very easy to mod if you actually want to change this. As for the joystick, you have got the square restrictor, which is the Chinese, sorry not Chinese, the Japanese style version, so that should be fine. Okay, well, we're going to put the screws back in and set it up on the PS4. Right, now all the screws are back in, we do is take the cable tie off, find where it's hiding, there we go. So it will hold to feed your cable through the back of the stick. Now I'm going to connect it up to the PS4 and I'll move the camera so you can see Mortal Kombat running and sort of see the stick at the same time. Obviously still need a PS4 pad to turn the PS on so it doesn't turn it on. Right, that's my PS on. I should be readjusting the camera shortly. Okay, let's try and get this so you can see the PS screen. Okay, well my screen is very big, so that's about as best as you're going to get. Let's just try out this stick and see if it's going to work. Oh yeah, need my PS pad to sign in. Ah, there we go, you have to press the PS button. Probably X. There we go. These buttons have actually got the things listed on them. If I get close enough, you can see there's X square, R1, L1, L2, R2, circle, and X, or cross as some people call it. Plus your stick, and your options button is the big button over on the right hand side. Anyway, let's get into Mortal Kombat X and give it a bash. This is one of my first YouTube videos, so hopefully it goes okay. Let's just see how this reacts. Alright, let's go to towers mode and traditional towers. Just have a test play with this. We go for the default and we'll have Sub-Zero, one of my favourite characters. Medium difficulty. The stick is very good, it's very responsive. Just like the arcade. That's just as good as the Vewlix Diamond Blue Edition that I had on PS3. Sub-Zero wins. Won my first round. Well, I don't know the finishing moves in this version of Mortal Kombat, but I'm sure I will get used to the finishing moves when I practice the game. Really, I haven't actually played the game, I've been waiting for this stick to come. Plus, I also had 2 copies of Mortal Kombat X not turn up, which I actually pre-ordered on eBay, the first one, but the seller never sent it. It was a real pest to get this game, but I finally got it about 10 days after the release. I'm really happy now I've got the stick. Let me just pause this as soon as this comes. Press PS. Okay. So my impressions of this arcade stick, absolutely amazing. I would definitely recommend ordering one. You still can get these on pre-orders from Arcade Shock and from Hori USA. Anyway, also that's my first video. Peace out, and if you like it, put your thumbs up, click that like button.